Is dry right now, and guess what I'm tracking? More dry air moving in, courtesy of a little backdoor cold front that'll be here tomorrow and bring in lower humidity. But unfortunately, no rain. It's been 32 days now, and the last time we had rain, September 5th, was only 4/100ths of an inch. Okay, here's the drought monitor. The yellow corresponds to abnormally dry. Let's go ahead and take that off the map. Now we're just going to show you the areas of moderate drought that do include Austin. Now here's the bad news. Climate Prediction Center showing all the areas in the darker brown for spots where rapid onset drought, aka flash drought, could develop as early as October 15th. And it's basically I-35 points east in those areas that aren't already in a drought. Bottom line is we need rain desperately. Fire danger. We saw a couple of fires pop up today. That is an issue. We just need help because it's also a lot easier for hot weather in these dry conditions. For instance, today we made it up to 94 degrees. The average high is 86. Here is that front I mentioned. It's totally bone dry. It's going to ease in here, drop our dew points from where they are now in the 50s all the way into the 40s when you wake up on Wednesday. So 68 degrees for the overnight for tonight, waking up in the 50s and out in the hill country, 65 in Elgin, 65 in LaGrange. Tomorrow, brilliant sunshine around, high even warmer, 95. The record tomorrow is 96 degrees. And so I expect temperature-wise we'll pop up to about 92. Okay, or I should say 95 degrees, 92 by about 4 o'clock. So 92 in Georgetown, 95 in San Marcos. And then we've got to keep tabs on Hurricane Milton. Category 5, it has dropped from 180-mile-per-hour winds to 165 as it's getting reorganized. You can see it's skirting just through the northern areas of the Yucatan Peninsula. Still on track for a date, unfortunately, with Florida, which is going to happen on Wednesday. Folks here don't have much time. It does look like it's going to make it a direct hit on the Tampa Bay area, the worst possible scenario as a Category 3. So we're continuing to keep our thoughts and prayers on folks out there as we here in Central Texas have very little change in our forecast. Behind that front, just lower humidity. You're going to wake up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, crisp, cool air, but still hot in the afternoons. ACL weekend 2 also looking hot and bone dry.